Hey guys, got a tutorial for you. This one's going to be She's All I Got by Jimmy Cozier. I'm going to go ahead and play through the verse chords so you can see what it sounds like. Okay, so that first chord is an E flat minor 7. Then we're going to a B flat over D. For this chord, the root note is actually right here, which is a little different than what we're used to. It's one of those kind of slash chords. Okay, so we have that. Then you're going to go to a C sharp major. And then ending on a C minor 7 flat 5. Okay. So I guess the kind of difficult one to play is this B flat over D. It's kind of a stretch. So we have this. And that just kind of repeats throughout the whole song. But the second time around, remember when you get here, sorry I skipped this chord, you're playing, see, F sharp major 7. Okay. And then just for variety, because this is actually a pretty popular chord progression. I see it in a lot of R&B songs. So another way you could also play it is this way. I'll go through these chords as well. Those are the same chords, except they're just in different positions. So for this, we have our E flat minor 7. Okay. And then we have our B flat over D. And our root note is again right here. Our B flat. Okay. And then we're just going to play a C sharp like before, and then ending on our C minor 7 flat 5. So same chords. So knowing those two types, you can play with the song. You can kind of mix and match them, add some more variety and build more skill. And then for the bridge part of the song, it's pretty simple, it's not too much. When you get to your minor 7 flat 5 down here, at the very end, you're just going to hit it again, go through it. I'll go through it. So just listen to the song to get the rhythm for that. But what I was doing there is I go back to my minor 7 flat 5, C, and then we play it again. Then we're going to a B major 7. Then we're sliding up to play a F7 sharp 9. Then we're just doing this little walk up. starting on the 4th fret, 5th string. Okay. Then when you get there, which would be the 9th fret on that 5th string, we go into a B flat minor 7, and then to an E flat minor 7, and then wrapping things up, we go to a G sharp minor 7, and then we're going to have to do a little bit of a stretch because we got to reach the 8th fret right here. While this is still kind of ringing out, I'm going to be able to hit that 8th fret there on the 6th string. Like that. If it's too much, you know, just go to it. Just go to it. And then end things on a C sharp major 11. Okay? And then we start the verse chords again.